Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to design flashcards by using the tool Brainscape. Flashcards normally help students to recall what they have learned, and they also help them to evaluate themselves. For creating these flashcards, you need to first sign up for a free account in Brainscape. Once you sign up, you can log in. Then you have to click on this for creating a new class. You have to click on create a new deck. Now you can add as many flashcards as you want. I click on add cards. In these flashcards, you need to provide question and answer in every card. You can add as many cards as you want, and once you complete that, you need to click on save this deck. And once it is saved, you can go to my classes and you will be able to see the um, deck you have created. Now for you to share this particular class with the students, you need to click on this. You will be able to generate a link which you can share with your students, or you can send an email directly. Assuming I click on this and I click on continue, see, you get the link here. This you can copy, paste into your email, and you can send it to your students. Either say you can copy paste the link and then send it through blog or in a social media. And this is how we prepare flashcards and then encourage students to learn.